Good morning, I hope you're all doing well today. So I have literally got 2.5 days until I leave to go to Japan. Luckily, I have a day off today because I've got some appointments this afternoon. I do need to actually go to Marion and do a little bit of shopping of some stuff that I need to take with me that I've nearly run out of, and I'd prefer to just buy them from home. So I thought it would be a good opportunity to hang out for a little while, do a little bit of shopping. I've spent the last few weeks preparing for my trip to Japan, booking tours, site visits, writing lists of what I want to do and see, and trying to make my holiday as stress-free as possible. As much as I enjoy travelling, as a homebody introvert in her late 40s travelling alone, I also get filled with a low-grade anxiety, and the planning stage can be a bit overwhelming. The thought of leaving the safety of my home and the familiarity of my routines is daunting, but then I think about the alternative. I could stay home in my safe little cocoon where everything is the same, but in doing that, I will always be the same. My little world will never expand, and neither will I. And that is my anchor thought when the anxiety comes, and I always come back to this question. If I were to just stay home and not step out of my comfort zone, doing the same things every day, what will my life look like in 5 or 10 years? When I'm 80, what memories will I be able to look back on? Will my memories be of adventure and beauty? Will I be able to say that I lived a life that inspired me?